When we established MetricStream, we set out to address a major business obstacle, namely to help companies improve their overall visibility and transparency into the business processes that they use to comply with different regulations, rules, mandates, etc. So our vision is to provide an integrated set of software, services, content, and consulting for governance, risk, and compliance that enables companies to improve their overall business performance by getting that transparency and visibility that they need. We basically automate the processes that companies use that map to the policies that they have in place to ensure their overall compliance. Organizations today need a systematic approach to how they address their governance, risk, and compliance needs. They can no longer rely on silo individual divisions doing their own thing. They need to have a collective view of all of their compliance initiatives so that they have the visibility and understanding of their risk in totality across the organization. And that's what MetricStream does. We do that by providing solutions for risk management, for regulatory operations and IT compliance, for corporate governance overall, and for quality management. We have partnered with some of the key corporations out there to ensure that we're bringing best-of-breed solutions. NASDAQ not only leverages our software, but they also exclusively recommend MetricStream to their listed companies. Tata Consulting Services, one of the top 10 global consulting corporations, partners with MetricStream to help us deliver appropriate solutions around the world. Deloitte, UCF, OSEG, etc. MetricStream has partnered with some of the leading thought leaders in this overall space. We've also had the support and the governance ourselves from our leading investors, Kleiner Perkins, who has invested and founded in Google and Amazon, Cisco, Genentech. They've invested in MetricStream because they believe that we are bringing a new fundamental shift to governance, risk, and compliance. And we're doing that by providing a set of solutions on a patented technology platform that is optimized for the space of GRC. And that is one of our key differentiators, our technology. Our breadth of solution is our other differentiator. We offer the broadest set of solutions across the governance, risk, and compliance environment as compared to any other competitor out there. Our cross-industry best practices and our domain knowledge are all embedded in those solutions that we provide. And we also founded and operate the largest compliance portal on the web called complianceonline.com, where we provide content and training, best practices, and collaboration capability for compliance professionals to get and understand the changing dynamics, the changing regulations, and the changing approaches, right, to handling and managing those regulations. All that takes place in complianceonline.com. Our approach and our success has indeed been recognized by the leading analysts. Gartner and Forrester have both put us in their leaders categories for the last several years running. The fact that we've been validated by the industry analysts, but also have been recognized for our thought leadership, really helps MetricStream ensure that we're bringing you the best solutions possible. We were one of the founders of OSEG, the Open Compliance and Ethics Group. Aberdeen Group indeed has defined MetricStream as having the best evolution of quality solutions into enterprise risk management. Talked about NASDAQ. We've got numerous awards from Red Hat and Deloitte Top 50, etc. MetricStream is a company that you can rely on. I talked about Gartner and Forrester. Just a couple key quotes I want to share. For Forrester Wave, they describe MetricStream as having demonstrated one of the most flexible GRC platforms evaluated. Well, why is it important to have a flexible platform? It's important because every company, their need for governance risk compliance is universal. How they choose to implement their overall processes can be unique. So you need software and solutions that can adapt to that uniqueness, but still enable you to take advantage of having solutions and a platform that will continue to evolve and improve and grow in the future. MetricStream gives you the best of both, off the shelf with the ability to configure those changes that you need and still be able to upgrade in the future. Gartner talks about MetricStream as being one of the few companies that have actually demonstrated the fact that we can integrate all 4 key GRC components: audit management, compliance management, risk management, and policy management. And it's that integration that companies need most. Our solution footprint. I talked about the breadth. Here what you see is what's considered the core governance, risk, and compliance: policy management, risk management, compliance, and you see the set of applications that we have under that. But we've also framed it out for what we believe is a much more complete approach, such as ethics on the front end, things like code of conduct and case management. We provide solutions for that as well. And we extend beyond governance, risk, compliance to training and alerts. It's important because of the evolving nature of regulations and mandates. It's important that you constantly keep your employees up to speed with not only what they need to do, hence the training, but also what they need to think about and address. And that's where alerts to changes in regulatory practices come in. We can combine those alerts into the overall software framework so that you can proactively address, monitor, and manage the needed changes in your system. Corporate social responsibility and sustainability are becoming very new focus areas. And again, it's important to bring the governance, risk, compliance methodology to this important space, which MetricStream does. And quality management, everything from operational audits to ISO certification and supplier quality. That completes the full MetricStream spectrum of solutions. These solutions are built on a patented platform that is optimized for compliance. This platform we combine with specific best practices, with specific content from Compliance Online, and with our services to provide solutions, both functional, audit, risk, etc., as well as industry, FDA, FAA, NERC, FERC, etc., so that our customers have solutions that are scalable and meet the needs of the regulatory environment. Our strengths are that breadth of solution I just talked about, the platform that we have, as well as the depth of our overall applications for policy management, for risk and for compliance, for advanced enterprise operational and risk management needs. All of those things combined with content integration from our Compliance Online portal, as well as the depth of knowledge that we bring in the different industries, financial services and energy and utility, oil and gas, healthcare, manufacturing, all that combined enable MetricStream to provide best-of-breed solutions to our customers in the governance, risk, and compliance space. The portal that I talked about is second to none. We provide content, training, best practices to thousands of compliance professionals every single day. Come to Compliance Online. We can deliver the overall training that you require, as well as provide the content and the alerts integrated into your applications so that you can have what you need when you need it. Keeping up with regulatory changes is critical in this world today. Our Compliance Online capability enables us to automatically identify when changes are being made to regulations, feed those changes into the overall application so that you, as a business executive, can make the appropriate decisions on how this may or may not affect your business. The MetricStream advantage, simply stated, falls into 6 key areas. 1, highly scalable, and we're configurable. You can have a solution that meets your needs while still being on a standard system. Our solution is built on the MetricStream platform. All of our customers are deployed on the same platform. Our integrated solution for risk management and audit and compliance enables you to have a comprehensive and collective view of your operations and have the visibility in terms of the overall reporting, the overall analytics, etc., so that you can get the transparency you need in your business. Our strong executive team, combined with our blue chip investors, our board members, and our strong partners, the Kleiner Perkins of the world, Tata Consulting, Deloitte, NASDAQ, etc., all that comes together, which is why we're recognized by Gartner and Forrester as leaders in our category, and why we've been selected by over 125 enterprise customers to help them solve their governance, risk, and compliance needs. We look forward to helping you solve yours.